So hello and welcome back everyone to this another video. There's a very important announcement for CS Foundation students. The announcement is for your upcoming examination. The examination which is going to be held on date 13. That is date 13 and 14 of this month, right? So your examination is going to be held on date 13 and 14 of this month. Okay, 13 and 14th of August 2021. Before I start, do like the video and then subscribe to the channel if you are just new. So the announcement is all about the option of appearing the examination through remote proctored mode or computer based examination, that is from the examination center. That means that you have two options. Either you can sit at your home and then give the examination on your computer, laptop, PC, okay, or you can go to the examination center. Those students who don't have the facility of a computer, then they can go to a examination center. Now the examination centers are this, okay? These are the list of examination centers all over India. You understood? These are the list of examination center. So make sure that if you want to go to the exam center and give the examination, then your exam center, the place, the location of the exam center where you live is there or not in this sheet. You just have to check that out, okay? The important information relating to your remote proctored mode. If you are giving your examination through remote proctored mode, there is a lot of information that you need to know, okay? Those information will be sent to you via your email, okay? Via your email. ICSI will send all the information to you via your email. Accordingly, the candidates are being given the option to appear through either of the two modes, that is the remote proctored mode, okay, that is sitting at your home on a software, or the center based examination, okay? And candidates may choose one of the mode as per their convenience, okay? Now email and SMS will be sent to all the candidates concerned in this regard. मतलब इसके regarding whatever information need to be sent to you will be sent through the email and SMS. FAQs, procedures and detailed instructions to the candidate will also be hosted on the website of the institute, okay? That means the other details will also be hosted in the website. You can see the details in the website also. Institute will host the details in the website also, and also at the same time will send to each student via email and SMS. So you don't have to worry about that, okay? Advise that there is no change in the date of examination. That is, the date of examination is going to happen on 13th and 14th of August. Okay, so you should have your own laptop, and mobiles are not allowed. This is a kind of pre-announcement. The main announcement is yet to be done. The main announcement, like what are the softwares that you're going to use, that is obviously the remote proctored software that they are going to use, which is used for CSET. I hope that that is the software which they are indicating, and yeah. Okay, and the further details, whatever details that ICSI wants you to know, will be sent to you through the email and SMS. So the answer pattern, the question pattern will not change at all, okay? Not be any changes, shall not be any changes in the syllabus pattern of the question paper, marking and submission of the answers. There will be any changes, no changes, okay? Now a lot of students may be afraid ki how should I give the examination direct on the examination day. Before the examination starts, before your date 13th and 14th examination starts, ICSI is going to conduct a mock test. Maybe 1 or 2 mock tests will be conducted by ICSI, so that you are familiar with the procedure of giving the examination on a remote proctor mode, whether you're giving at your home, okay? And if you're giving at the center, then you don't need any kind of mock test, you know, if you're giving your examination in the center. But if you're giving your examination at home, then at that moment you need a mock test, so that you are familiar with the software. And the reason being of this mock test, please students, I'm requesting you, do not fall for the questions. You don't see the questions are too easy, too tough. Don't fall for the questions. The questions are just sample questions. The reason being the mock test is conducted is to make you familiar with the procedure, how the examination is going to be and how the software works. This is the only reason, okay? So these are the important announcement announced by ICSI, okay? So this is the announcement. Stay tuned. I hope and pray that ICSI will come up with the procedure very, very soon. Thank you so much. Study hard. Happy learning, guys. Bye bye and take care.